This is the Marlin AgriTalk Climate Sensor Station, jointly developed by Jiaotong University and Quanta Computer. Because this equipment is used outside, the case for the system is all weather sealed along the case top and bottom, and also the exterior holes for the connecting cables. It is also insulated against lightning. Inside, there are 11 different sensing functions: temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, light intensity, CO2, UV light, and infrared light. For soil, there is soil sensors have the single prong for the pH sensor and the 3-in-1 moisture, temperature, and soil electrical current sensors. These soil sensors perform all needed soil monitoring and control functions. The same climate sensing station up top and the soil sensors connected below. Here is the traditional control box, PLC or breaker system. Traditionally controls all needed manual switching for auxiliary equipment, such as fans, lights, pumps, etc. Now with our AgriTalk system, it has intelligent controls. So manual controls are not necessary. Switching is done remotely and automatically by the control module. It is also weather and lightning proof, and we can operate it by smartphone, tablet, laptop, etc.